Winter sports have their own Olympics. There are many ice sports and snow sports to watch. Let's talk about the sports, the equipment they use, and how to describe the action. First, ice sports. Ice sports. This is figure skating. Figure skating. Athletes skate on ice. They spin and jump. It's beautiful to watch. This is ice hockey. Ice hockey. Two teams play with sticks and a puck. It's fast and intense. This is speed skating. Speed skating. Athletes race around the ice track. They are very fast. This is curling. Curling. Players slide heavy stones on ice. They aim for the target called the house. This red dot is the target, and that is called the house. Now, snow sports. Snow sports. This is alpine skiing. Alpine skiing. Athletes ski down the mountain. This is a downhill race. This is cross-country skiing. Long-distance skiing across snow. It needs endurance. This is snowboarding. Snowboarding. Athletes use one board instead of two skis. They do tricks in the air. This is ski jumping. Ski jumping. Athletes ski down the ramp and jump in the air. Sometimes over 100 meters. Figure skaters need ice skates, shoes with metal blades underneath. They also wear beautiful costumes. Ice hockey players use a stick and a puck. They wear helmets, pads, and jerseys. Protection is very, very important in ice hockey. Alpine skiing uses skis and poles. Ski boots are attached to the skis. They wear helmets and goggles. Snowboarding uses one snowboard. Snow boots are attached with bindings to the snowboard. Curling uses a heavy stone and a broom. The target is called the house. Bobsled uses a fast sled with runners underneath. Athletes wear tight speed suits. The suits help with less air resistance, which means more speed. Action words. To skate is to move on ice. To jump is to leap into the air. To spin is to rotate quickly. To land is to come down safely. To fall is to lose balance. This is a podium. A podium is a small stage where you stand to get your medal. These are medals. 3 medals for 3 positions. The gold medal is for first place. Silver medal is for second place. And bronze medal is for third place. Action verbs and competition vocabulary. The small stage you stand on when you get a winning medal. What is it called? A podium. This is a podium. What medal do you get when you win first place? Gold. You win a gold medal when you get first place. Which sport uses a broom and a stone? Curling. Curling uses a broom and a stone. Which sport uses a stick and a puck? Hockey. Hockey uses a stick and a puck. Which sport uses 1 board instead of 2 skis? Snowboarding. Snowboarding uses 1 board instead of 2 skis. Now you can watch Winter Olympic highlights and understand what you see and some of the words you hear. See you soon. Bye.